Are you using the new AI tool with Canva? If not, let me show you how this will literally make your life so easy. Once you log into your Canva account, you're going to want to open a new doc. And then when you get into that new doc, it's going to greet you with a motivational quote that I like to read out loud as an affirmation. And to the left of that quote, you want to click that plus sign and scroll down to MagicWrite. It's going to prompt you to use 5 or more words to describe what exactly you wanted to write. For example, I'm asking it to write a blog article. And in 1, 2, 3 seconds, you have a complete blog article. So cool, right? You want to add your own spice and life into whatever content it produces, but this is a really cool tool to just give you a good foundation to build upon. You can even have it write captions for different posts on LinkedIn, Facebook. You can have it write tweets. I'm going to show you here how it writes a title for a YouTube video. I know how many people get stumped on what to call their YouTube videos, so this is a game changer in my eyes. So as we all know, AI is not an actual person, so it can't answer specific questions about personal experience, but it can answer questions when put in quotation marks. So here I'm showing you an example of it apologizing for not being able to answer my question, but offering me another solution. So here I'm going to show you another prompt asking AI a question in a different way. What are the top skills for a sales engineer? And it's able to generate an answer for that question. So it's very important how you word your prompts just to make sure you get exactly what you need. I also asked it about a content list and instructions on how to use a software. So if you ever need any cool ideas or just need something to build off of, try this tool out. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.